Welcome to Python web scraping video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how can you pulling data out of HTML or XML files using powerful Python web scraping library Beautiful Soup. Now I illustrate all major features of Beautiful Soup with examples. I show you what library is good for, how to use it, and how it works. Now open your browser and I search here the code of Civil Procedure 1908. I wanted to scrap this act title and also this act title details from this web page. This act contained 1 to 157 section and also the details of this section. Now click here and click inspect element. You see here this section is under on a free tag and also a class, and this is this act details link and this detail link under a tag. Now open another tab in your browser and search Google Colab. Google Colab is built for Python machine learning purpose. Now you see that here new notebook, click here and Google Colab new tab will be appear. Now install the necessary library for scraping website data. I need to install Beautiful Soup. I type here pip install Beautiful Soup 4. Now I also need to install XML, lxml, and I also need to install request. Now run the code and click here code plus sign, and you need here to import this library. I type here from bs4 import beautiful soup, and I also type import lxml and import request. Now our installation is complete and also we import the library. Run this. Okay. Now you see here this is the domain link. You need to access this page. Copy this domain link and go to your code, type code plus, and you need to declare a variable here. I gives a variable name HTML text, and I load this targeted web page in this variable. And I also type dot text. Now this website all HTML elements are contains this HTML text variable. If I print this variable, you see here, and I run this code, you see here all of these HTML content are available here. Now from this content we will be extract the section title and section details. Now you need to declare another variable. I declare this variable name soup equal to beautiful soup, and type here HTML text. You previous declare variable and also type lxml. Here lxml is a parser, and you know that the beautiful soup support your favorite parser. You can use here anything you wanted to use as a parser. I am using lxml, and now I declare another variable to contain this HTML text, section text. Now I type the variable name section list, and I type here soup dot find all, and here we previous said that this title is under on fee tag and also class name act section name. I copy the class name act section name and go to our code, type here fee tag and gives here comma and type class, give underscore and paste this class name act section name. Now all of the section 1 to 157 are under section list variable. If I print this, print section list, now you see that all of the section name are available here, but this section is under a tag, and a tag contains a http link. So now access, if we print here print section list dot a dot text, sorry, this will be not print here. I need to use for loop. Now we use for section in section list, and we print all the section, print section list dot a dot text, because this text is under a tag. Now we wanted to separate all text. You see that here is a error section list, sorry, here we need to declare section. Okay, now you see that all of the section are available without any HTML. If you wanted to remove the white space, you can use the Python strip function. Strip function will remove all white space, Okay, run the code. Okay, we got all section 1 to 153 section here without any white space. Removing white space is strip function is very awesome. Now we need to access all section details link which contains this link. We need to take this link from here. If we print here section.a.text, section.a.href, you see that here href tag contains the link. Okay, now we print all the section link, but this link is not usable for go to the details page. If we paste this link in browser, no detail page will be appear. For appearing detail page, if we click any section, then you see that here is a details link, and this link contains first this domain. Now we copy this domain and go to our code, and here also add the string, this code, and give plus sign, remove the underscore, remove this sign and run again. Now you see that every section detail links is appear here. If you click the link and open in another tab, you see that details page will be appear. So for accessing the detail page, we need to access this link first. If we can access this link first, then we will be able to take the detail page text. So for this purpose, you need to first declare a variable name, gives this name html text, and type here request dot get and paste this link. Okay, now this html text request dot get, here we use this sign 2 times. Okay, if we print here print html text and run this code, you will be see that all the link will be appear here. Now we declare another variable name soup equal beautiful soup and gives here html text, our previous declared variable, and also type here lxml dot text. We gives here dot text. Okay, if we print here, we declare here another variable and name it section details. Section detail equal soup.find. Here we use find variable without using find all because here only a section details, not all section details. First we access the link one by one section, then we extract the text from this section. Similarly, this will be run continue because we use here for loop. Now we type here soup.find. We need to here give, we go to the details page and we type here inspect. You see that these details activities under the class name called SM9 text details and also the div tab. Now we copy the class name, go to our code and type here div and gives comma, and here also type this section details class name. Okay, now we print the section details, print section details. Okay, now you see that all section details, text and HTML element are FAR here. If we wanted to remove the HTML, we type here dot text. Now HTML is removed. Sorry, HTML not remove, and it also gives the if we type here dot text, then what happened? Okay, then if you type here dot text, then only text will be FAR. Now this is the section details. So if you wanted to remove the white space, you type here dot strip. Now run again this code. You see that every section details FAR here one by ones. Now we will be first print the section name and also print section details. So here we print section dot text dot strip function. Now all of our section name and section details will be print this code one by ones. Here we will be get every section 157 section and 157 section details, and if we wanted to need collect the link, just print this link. Now if you are interested to get all of this information in your Excel file, you need to use Pandas PD library, and this very simple. Thanks for watching this video.